Good morning, viewers. It's Thursday morning, February 20, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money's early morning news, where we provide you the latest, concise, and precise stock market wrap. Another day, another record. Yes, you heard me right. S&P 500 closed at a record high at 6,144. US stocks inched higher on Wednesday, reversing earlier declines as investors paused to digest Federal Reserve meetings minutes, new housing data, and fresh tariff plans from President Trump. Many stocks had opened lower after Trump said he was considering tariffs in the neighborhood of 25% or more on automobiles, semiconductors, and medicines. That weighed on those sectors. By mid-afternoon trading, though, the major indexes overcame those earlier losses. The S&P 500 rose 0.2%, finishing at a new record close, its third of 2025 and second straight all-time closing high. In fact, all three major US equity indexes made gains on the day. The Dow Jones Industrial Average also increased by 0.2% to 44,627, and the Nasdaq Composite climbed 0.07% to 20,056. Market watchers also parsed minutes from the Federal Reserve's January meeting, which revealed no major surprises on the path forward for interest rates. At the Fed's January policy meeting, the US central bank left its key interest rates unchanged. The minutes show policymakers expressed concern about stubborn inflation and the potential effect of Trump's policy proposals, particularly tariffs, on their efforts to bring price growth down to their target. The Commerce Department said housing starts tumbled by 9.8% in January, a plunge attributed to soft demand, elevated mortgage rates, and a spate of unusually frigid weather. January housing starts fell short of forecasts, weighing on some construction and real estate stocks. Housing stocks were underperformance, dropping by 1.5%. Among the 11 major sectors of the S&P 500, healthcare enjoyed the largest percentage gain, while materials and financials were the laggards. In stock specific, electric truck maker Nikola plunged 39.1% in the wake of its filing of Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. Specialty chemicals company Celanese tumbled 21.5% after reporting a quarterly loss. Shares of Shift4 slid 17.5% following its fourth quarter results and on news that the payments processor had agreed to buy Global Blue in a deal valued at $2.5 billion. Shares of Global Blue jumped 7.5%. Analog devices gained 9.7% after beating quarterly profit and revenue estimates. In currencies, the dollar spot index rose 0.2%. In cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin rose 1.2% to $96,128. And in bonds, the yield on the 10-year treasuries declined 2 basis points to 4.53%. In commodities, West Texas Intermediate crude rose 0.6% to $72.30 barrel, and spot gold was unchanged at $2,936 an ounce. Key events this week. Tonight, US initial jobless claims and Philadelphia Fed manufacturing index. And on Friday, you have US S&P Global Manufacturing Services PMI, existing home sales, and consumer sentiments. That's it for today, my dear viewers. And if you are enjoying this content, please do subscribe, like, and share this video as much as possible. I need your assistance in that. I will see you again tomorrow morning. In the meantime, happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.